Facebook announced as part of this campaign that it is expanding efforts to remove false claims on Facebook and Instagram about COVID-19 as well as vaccines. The press release said since the pandemic began, the company has removed more than 12 million pieces of content on Facebook and Instagram containing misinformation that could lead to imminent physical harm. Can you elaborate on the expanding efforts pertaining to the vaccine part?
So misinformation really thrives in the absence of credible information. Ultimately, what everyone wants is to keep themselves safe and healthy, and to keep their loved ones safe and healthy. And so that's why we've been so focused on a lot of the efforts to help people get credible information on our platforms that I talked about today. And as I mentioned, a lot of these things have, I think, had real positive impacts and been quite effective. At the same time, it's also important that we work on misinformation. And we've been doing this, honestly, since the day the WHO declared this thing to be a public health emergency. And we've been removing false claims around COVID-19 that could cause harm to folks that have been debunked by public health authorities. And we've been updating that policy as the pandemic evolved and as our understanding, or the world's understanding, of things have changed. So, early on, guidance around masks was much more mixed. And as the guidance around masks became clearer, we've updated our policies in response. And the announcement today on the misinformation side, I would view as an extension of our approach here. Now that a year in, tremendously grateful that we have vaccines that work, and we want to make sure that we're removing misinformation along those lines as well.